If someone told you there's a real way to get rich quickly, without scams or shady schemes, would you believe it? Probably not. After all, we've been conditioned to think that building wealth takes decades, requires endless sacrifices, and is only possible for a lucky or extremely talented few. But that's a lie. The truth is, there are proven ways to accelerate wealth creation, but nobody talks about them. Not because they don't work, but because the fewer people who know, the less competition there is. The first mistake people make when trying to get rich quickly is believing there's a single hidden secret. Marketing is full of people selling magic formulas, but reality doesn't work that way. What truly exists is a set of principles that wealthy people apply instinctively. Think about this. How many people do you know who work insane hours but still struggle financially? Meanwhile, others seem to make life-changing money in a matter of days or even hours. That's because money doesn't flow to those who work the hardest. It flows to those who understand how it really moves. If you're still trading time for money, you're in the slowest wealth-building model. Wealthy individuals don't ask, "How can I earn more money?" Instead, they ask, "How can I make money work for me?" This brings us to a crucial concept: leverage. People who build wealth fast use leverage to multiply their earnings without depending solely on their own effort. There are three main types of leverage: financial leverage, using money to generate more money through smart investments, online businesses, and passive income streams; skill leverage, developing high-value skills that significantly increase the worth of your time; systems leverage, creating automated processes that generate income even when you're not working. Most people don't apply these principles simply because they were never taught to. Traditional education prepares you to be a good employee, not to become wealthy. It teaches you to work hard, save money, and avoid risks. But the truth is, the wealthy do the opposite. They take calculated risks, invest in assets, and use leverage to scale their income quickly. So, if you want to change your financial situation, you must master these three essential pillars of rapid wealth creation. 1. A high-value mindset. Your beliefs about money directly impact your ability to earn more. If you think money is hard to come by, and that you have to work endlessly to make a little more, that will be your reality. On the other hand, if you understand that money is abundant and there are strategic ways to access it, your actions will align with that belief. That's why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle their entire lives. This is exactly what programs like the Money Wave help with. It uses brainwave frequencies to rewire your mindset and put you in the right mental state to attract wealth. The wealthiest entrepreneurs and self-made millionaires unknowingly apply these techniques. If you want to experience this for yourself, check out the link in the description. 2. High leverage strategy. Two people can start a business today. One might take years to see results, while the other makes thousands of dollars in just a few months. What's the difference? Strategy. Today, there are multiple proven paths to accelerate your financial growth. Some of the most effective include online businesses, low startup costs, and unlimited scalability; affiliate marketing, selling existing products and earning commissions without creating anything from scratch; smart investments, making your money work for you instead of just sitting in a bank account. The difference between those who build wealth quickly and those who take decades is how well they use these strategies. 3. Tools for accelerated growth technology has changed everything. Today, anyone can exponentially increase their earnings with the right tools. With artificial intelligence, automation, and social media, you can multiply your results without working harder. For example, while one person struggles to sell manually, another can set up an automated system that sells 24/7. That's leverage in action. At the end of the day, getting rich quickly isn't about luck or talent. It's about applying the right principles in the right way. If you implement these pillars, you can shave years off your journey and reach financial freedom much faster. And if you want a shortcut to rewiring your mind for abundance, try the Money Wave. This program is designed to shift your mindset about money and unlock your full financial potential. The link is in the description. The choice is yours. You can continue down the slow, traditional path, waiting years for financial security, or you can start using what actually works and accelerate your path to wealth right now.